Holy shit, you're fucking.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Everyone, welcome back. Zeppelin gear. Today, this is a different one. I'm joined by Geezer right there, and probably Owen. He probably doesn't want to show his face, which is alright. We're gonna be sneaking. Oh man, you know how awkward this is to fucking sneak past, bro. As I've got a fucking.
Show the view, bro.
Show the view. Are we gonna be sneaking past all of these shit, bro? We're gonna try fucking getting in like fucking James Bond, bro.
By the way, we went through barbed wire to get here.
Yeah. Mate, show him the way back, yeah, fuck.
Yeah.
Show him the way back.
Bro.
Wait, my phone's not in your box.
See a guy, Wait.
Oh my god, guys, the fuck is moving. Whoa, shit. Yo, this is fucking open as fuck, dude. If there's cars there, where's the people? No, it's either inside or they're working.
Nah, they might be on deliveries, yeah, fuck.
Deliveries, do you just say?
Yeah, obviously, mate. The what?
Deliveroos, bro. Wait a second. Oh shit. Yo, lads, the truck just stopped. The truck just stopped. So I can't, you can't even fucking see. Oh, never mind, it's just stopping. Never mind. And this is the part where we have to fucking do. This is the part where we have to do some James fucking Bond shit, man. Fucking hell.
Oh shit, it's open.
No, I was already like that. I've been that for it. Oh, this is fucking open as fuck. Wait. Yeah, but there's cars there. Alright, maybe we're fucking that way or some shit. Oh man. Wait, where are we going? The path's this way. The path's this way, man.
Yeah, but that's what
This is like fucking going towards Area 51, man. What the fuck?
I've seen Alien.
Yo, look at that fucking trucks, man.
Mate, if there's keys in here, I'll actually
The fucking fences we went through.
Wait, are you talking? No, don't, never mind.
Mate, it's impossible to get in here, but it's just not impossible.
Paranoid, bro, just paranoid.
Yo, who wants to go on top of the fucking the bucket, yeah, and fucking...
Bro, if we get in there, yeah.
No way.
As I'm worried off here, we're just gonna be hiding in the back, bro.
That'd actually be sick, no. If that tip it, yeah, and we fucking... Oh.
We die. We recorded on the video. The death.
Imagine if that's like shooting.
Okay.
Oh, do you know what I just realised?
Where are we gonna be
They
going?
have cameras in the vehicles, innit? Do you know, like dashboard cams?
I guess so.
Fuck.
Yo.
If they have fucking...
Yo, I never touched one.
Oh,
That's actually crazy, man. The toys in here are big as us.
Imagine
But Ethan, stand next to that.
Yo.
Mate, it's really fucking big.
What the
That's fucked.
Yo, that's
Mate, it's fucking up to his head.
Yo, bro.
Yo, my alarm's go off now. Fucking hell. Bro.
The alarm goes off, I'm not here anymore, I'm gone.
Wait, I dare some phone instead.
Fuck that.
I'm gonna TP home.
Bro, the alarms have got off, bro. Holy
No.
shit. Like fucking...
They only go off control the lock. How the fuck do you get in there?
Fucking ladders right there.
Yeah, but where's the fucking door?
We do, I think... Well, imagine it on GTA 5, so you just open it like... I don't fucking know.
No, mate, you can't for the window yet.
Oh, look, the toy's cracking there, you see.
Scary, like, I don't care. Oh.
That's a bit fucking
Oh,
horrifying.
should we call them?
0878, bro. What the fuck?
Shall we call him? Your vehicle is stuck here.
Birmingham. 012135177.
Fucking things are massive, you know, I've never been this close to one before.
Bro.
If it just turns on now, it's transformer.
Oh, I want to look at these other ones, man. I'm fucking... I'm intrigued.
Do you want to look at these others?
The fuck, you know?
Where? Yeah, but that's in the gardens.
Look how fucking mad the claw is, pulled up.
Mate, I want to fucking work here. Shit, I'm gonna go ask him for a job.
Yo, this sucks. Yo, look at that fucking thing, bro. Yo, is this farming simulator? What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Bro,
I say we all take a selfie on that, make it on
fucking hell, I think that's a bit scary.
Hey, what's that?
For alarms, man. Bro. Fucking life, bro. Bit mad.
I don't have to get in this one. Should we try the door?
Fuck that, alarm's go off, bro.
What? Did someone drop the... What the fuck was that? Did someone drop a rock?
No.
Nah, that's a good listen. Oh shit, that's...
Bro.
I thought someone was there then. Yo, you see that,
What?
yeah? Mate, your shadow, yeah, looked like some person.
Bro, look how big this is. This is a bit mad, if I'm honest with you. Whoa. Yo. BH40.
Mate, it's on that.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't even know. Oh, that's what you have to do. You have to do. Imagine if you drop your phone down there.
Well, then obviously you fucked it. Yo, there's a thingy on here. It's owned by Tommorow. Yo, don't fuck it! Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Bruh. Yo, show this shit. Bruh.
Nah, I don't think anyone's over here with safe.
Bro, this is a...
Yo,
Look at the front. Yo, there's a smiley face at the front of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my nan's
Shut up, yo. Got you. That seems close, man.
Yeah, this house is there.
Yeah. Okay, take it off. Take it off.
No, I'm coming on this orange one, mate. This orange one looks clean, like it's bought here. Plants. I'm a plant.
Next thing we know, we just see fucking cars, bro.
Oh shit, so we can hire these? So we can buy one?
Bro, what the fuck?
What?
Dude, you can legit just hide under there, man. If someone comes here, hide under there.
No, we just started.
Or we just like get in here. No, no.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't really want to climb something, bro. What am I looking at?
All the fucking shit at the back.
Bro. It's a bit
Going
mad.
up or what, mate? Coming up, Connor.
I ain't fucking coming up there. I ain't going on top.
Holy shit, no, that's fun. What? That's units.
Oh, yeah.
That's how much of these have been made, yeah?
Oh, nah, dude, what the fuck? That looks pretty. Yo, look at that engine, man.
That's what I'm saying, mate. And this shit, if you put this in the car, yeah.
Oh, fuck, I missed it out. Oh. What do you think, Connor?
Fucking mad.
Bit cool, actually. Yeah.
Because I want to get on this one.
Climb up it.
What the?
Oh, what? That's broken as shit. Good luck then, yeah, I want to go up.
Bro,
Oh, no, I think.
Fuck, how big the fucking wheels are, man. So I've a fucking...
The wheels.
I'm on the roof.
Fuck that, bro. I wouldn't look at that one, man. That one looks so badass, man.
Shit tractor.
I don't know, bro, that's like a farming simulator thing.
Those wheels on that tractor though is bigger than all of us combined, bro. No, those wheels are mad. Bro.
So we're fucking put in a fucking place where like I don't fucking know, man.
The fucking size of them. Jesus.
I hear movement.
Yeah, that is wheels. Holy shit.
Okay, that's bigger than me.
Yeah, that is.
That's bigger than me.
Holy
Just a bit. You know, you can feel the heat on that, man. That's like recently been used or some shit.
Yo, yeah.
Bruh.
Mate, this is actually a sick one. Inside.
That's legit a farming simulator thing, that one is.
Where the fuck's your legs go?
I don't fucking know, man. Fuck.
What the fuck? Yo, this is.
Right, what are we doing now then? Are we gonna go around? I mean, that wasn't really sneaky, really. We just fucking walked in there.
Not good content.
Brilliant content, man. The only thing we have to do next for good content, just walk up there normally. And just, no, our excuse is we lost.
Nah, shit content would be, yeah. Showing
A push
yeah.
move.
Bro, you know how hard, I need like a GoPro for that crap, man.
Nah, I should have taken that to your chest.
Bro, over here with my heart beating. Right, so where are we going then? Are we going this way? The risky fucking way. Okay, this looks fucked. This looks fucking scary. But it definitely wasn't near last time. I don't remember the caravan's been there either.
Danger, keep out.
That's a bit scary. Okay, this is just fucking. Oh man.
Wait, it says danger, keep out. We've already been over there.
That's giant. Oh. Dude,
Refueling point.
this was fucking.
You're a fucking Tesla charger.
It's actually. The caravan's on looks it. Wow, look how open we are right now. Holy shit.
Imagine if cars
We basically fucked when we have to hide through here. How did we get in?
Your exit, your front exit.
The exits must be where the factory is. Yeah.
Oh shit, he's the ball.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. We actually fucking did it, man. Oh, fucking hell. This is just fucking.
Oh, I should have got my bike, man. Fucking cars, yeah, I swear to God.
Do you remember right back?
I'm just gonna say I'm 1 year old. Don't
No, we just say we're lost. We tourists.
Nah,
Yeah,
mate,
man.
We're tourists.
We'll fucking take pools like that. Yeah, we'll have to
We lost our drone. You know, we take pause idea for this one.
Yeah, fuck
We
this.
lost our drone.
Mate, we're fucking motor.
Oh yeah.
Fucking. Just a bit
Nah,
mad.
this is like 100% restricted.
Okay, what the fuck is that shit? Oh my god. If a wife had just come down here, you know how.
What is this?
Bro!
Deep.
Yo, it looks fucking insane, dude.
Yo.
That
Oh
looks.
my fuck,
That looks
that's
mad.
sick.
That looks mad.
Posting this 100%.
Now, I think, imagine if sick it would be if you're walking.
Well, if you drop, you're basically dead, dude.
Should we stand on that?
I don't know. Oh, no, risky. Bro.
Holy shit. Oh! Oh, yeah, that is nice.
Fuck!
You probably die from just getting stung.
Help me up. Thanks. That's a bit fucking death, bro. That's death from above.
That's gonna hurt you toes to jump down.
Alright. Just keep moving. This looks mad. This looks pretty mad.
Mate, there's fucking rock climbing wall.
A what?
Rock climbing wall. Yeah.
But if a car chased us, we just fucking. I don't
Climb the
fucking.
fucking wall.
We just jump down there where the fucking quarry is, bro.
Yeah, we
This would be a sick place to ride around, man. On a bike.
Come down here on the bike. Oh man, that'd be amazing.
You'd be sick.
But how the fuck do we get our bikes here? We have to come with that
It'd be a bit awkward. You need some elevator for that
Oh,
shit.
is that a plane or a fucking bird, bro?
No, do you have to
It's a plane, bro.
We could actually do it, you know. Think, yeah, someone holds on to the
Oh
bar,
Okay.
man, this
Holy
place is
shit.
amazing.
Wait,
It's
tied up.
Holy shit. It's a bit mad. Oh fuck, I must have fucking dropped.
We just rolled down here, man. Oh shit.
oh, it's actually sick.
Actually, it's rock
Yeah, I don't even get, we can get caught now, man. Bro, you climbing this shit. No, I can't climb it, I can't do it with one hand, fuck that.
climbing. Right, look all the fuck.
Oh, this
Wait,
looks.
what the fuck is that speed sign? No. No.
Danger. Danger falling rocks. Well, thanks for telling me. Okay, no. Yo, dude, that'd be so sick to go down a fucking bike, bro.
That's what, man. Imagine
You'd be a kid to get up, though. It's very hard to do this with one hand. To be honest with you.
A mirror. What?
This is a bit insane.
How did you even get up this?
I said. Okay.
Now, do you know what I say we go real quick?
Shh. Where?
That, did you see it out there? Climb that and then look down. You'll see the whole point.
Sure. And what time is it? Coming up to 6. Actually, it's 5:35. 5:35, yeah. 5. Bruh. I ain't climbing up there, fuck that. Are you actually climbing up?
Yeah, mate.
Bruh.
Actually, I don't know. Could we?
I can't climb up.
Come back down, guys.
I would climb up, but fuck that. My ability, my legs is not working. That geezer there. Bro, why would you want to climb down that, man? Fucking hell. Do you want fucking... No, we should do tomorrow, today. We should go down, and then tomorrow or some shit we go up. So as in we go up there.
I reckon, yeah,
By the
we should
factory.
dive off that.
We dive off that? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we should dive off
Good
that.
idea, good idea.
Put a little, like...
Okay, look at
Hundred
that drop, dude. Holy shit. That's
Now we just put like
fucking...
a waterfall.
That's a fucking right killer of a drop, man.
Put an inflatable pool at the bottom. Fucking... Yeah, what it is.
Bruh.
Nah, bro, go tread on this and have a look.
Oh, no, I do.
Actually.
Holy shit.
Nah, no one's been here all the time.
Oh. Still water?
That's not water, that's just blue pipes, I think.
Put up now, Joe.
That's a bit mad. It's insane.
Insane driving. Bro, is it just me or you can't do this?
Bruh. Now when it's dust, so I'm getting on my shoes now. Damn, we've gone a long way. We got far to go back, man. Going down on a bike like this, bro. Fucking. You zooming down here?
Bro, I just don't want to.
Look, there's things down there. I'm not exploring anything, what's down there?
People see us, if some fucking golfer, yeah, sees us down here.
I don't know what the fuck ever can see us, bro. They have some kind of vision or some shit, bro.
Nah, bro, they're on there. They're on the top of there.
I don't know how they found the fuck. I don't know how they found us, to be fair.
Is that a nuke, bro?
Some
next fucking nuke.
It's fly over there, man. That's just
Bruh.
You see some dead skeletons.
Okay, yeah.
Did you start a new video?
No, there's like, I do plays, like there's different.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I don't need to even record it because there's nothing really good happening. Sometimes you just record it. Is that bar shot? That's all gated off, isn't it? Holy shit, wind. One-off area only. Emergency one-off area. Holy shit. Fucking
What? Emergency, bro. What the fuck's down here now, dude? Is there a caveman down here, bro?
fuck is this shit? What a fucking. Holy.
Is it open?
This looks mad. What?
That's all fucking going there. It's electric.
Are you going to?
Holy
Oh shit, you're fucking. Yo. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is that? Yo, what the Yo, nah. Nah. Bruh. What the fuck was that?
Yo, there's people coming here, there's police here. Yo, we get caught here, yeah, we're fucked.
Owen, what the fuck? Was that just a light? What did it say?
What?
What was it saying?
What?
The light?
There was an alarm. There was an alarm.
My heart's beating.
Silence alarm, there's other people know we're here.
Bro, it sounds like some fucking...
I reckon we should go back there.
Go back down there. You mad? Fuck. I wouldn't mind going down there to see what it fucking said.
Nah, there's gotta be people down here now.
Obviously not, man. Fucking right, yeah.
Yo, fucking hell. Bro, that didn't sound like I don't know what it said, man. It scared the fuck out of me. It scared it was speaking in deep voice.
No, we're speaking.
Did you not hear it?
Nah.
I'm sure I heard it, bro.
That's what I'm saying, go back down there. See what's there.
Someone's calling you. If you hear a fucking warning sign, fucking run. If you run, or you just fucking walked. It's just when I hear a warning sign, it's like, nah, you're not like that. Holy shit, man. Fucking hell.
Fuck, man.
Oh, my back.
We should have canned him here, fuck.
We're gonna do this on another day. Anyone down?
What?
Tomorrow or some shit, and no one's working.
Yeah.
Try getting someone else out. Unless imagine if I get all of that off us though. Then we won't be. It's been nothing no more, man. Bro, fucking hell.
Oh, shit.
Whatever that was, I don't fucking know. But holy shit.
Yeah, look at the black car.
There's a black car. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck! Fucking hell! Fuck! Holy shit! Oh! Can't really see shit because it was a bit shit. Can't really see fuck all.
There's fucking watch moving.
He's on his phone, isn't he? Someone's in there.
There's a guy with that phone. There's one here. There's a guy with that phone.
Yeah. Yep. Oh.
The wind blew right between my feet.
I legit just walked into one of them fucking things, man. Oh. Fucking hell. Ow.
Oh.
Fucking Jesus. Bro, who say that we still can't get in here? Bro, who's gonna fucking stop us cancelling our fucking vacation away?
Vacation.
This is what you call vacation, man. Fuck do you mean? Dry mud. Oh, not in between them, it's just a fucking drop. This is the fucking risky part, man. This boat's gonna get fucking hard. What is that weed or some shit? What?
I don't know how you're gonna get there.
One up here. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo. Fucking bit windy. Which way was it?
Oh,
So I missed my part, I can't remember that fucking. Yeah, went past this Teletubby pot. No, she's not here. I remember going past that.
Oh look, there's a rock. This is exactly where it is.
Oh shit, this is really hard. Just go up there. Fucking time. Are you sure it's this way? Fucking hell. This looks fucking like death. Oh, fucking god, that's a death. Lads, this is not the way. This is not the way. It's this way. She's down there. I think it's down there. Fucking roll.
Do you want me to record on the fucking show?
Sure, if you want.
Oh my god.
Then how the fucking gonna give me? How are you gonna give me it?
What?
Record it that way.
Easy clap. Yo, hey man, we're going to get down. Connor, come back up, put this in your pocket. You so hate to get down, we'll just pause it, innit? Connor, come back up then.
Whoa! Whoa!
What the fuck?
I've just fucking died. How the fuck am I gonna take this down my phone? Cause I'm going a fucking bad way. Doing it one hand so. Fucking hell.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck. Oh. 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 Okay, now. Fucking shit.
You don't want to go and walk down when you get back?
Oh. You sure? Oh, fuck my legs. Oh. Well, that's it, man. Oh, thanks for watching. Fucking hell. Oh. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.